Here's why you need an undated planner. You won't waste pages. There are no written dates, so you can pick it up and fill it in each week as you need to. It's the perfect balance between bullet journaling and a regular planner. You get all the flexibility but none of the intense setup of bullet journaling, and all of the organization of a regular dated planner with none of the rigid structure. Writing down your tasks, goals, and plans actually helps you remember them better than if you put the information into a digital calendar. The very act of writing by hand forces your brain to process that information in a more detailed way and encourages your brain cells to communicate, which can actually improve your ability to remember things. You can use it right now. Since this planner doesn't start in January like most planners would, you can begin writing in it at any time. This planner has enough pages in it to span an entire year, but you can use it for longer than that if you don't need to plan every week or month. It's organized into 5-week sections with plenty of spaces for notes and a couple of blank pages as well. Whether you like to write down simple task lists, organize your day in hourly segments, doodle in the margins, or practice creative writing in the extra blank pages, you can do that. With an undated planner, you can customize getting organized.